Before and after photo. Compare applications for Android are tools designed to allow users to easily showcase and compare images side by side. These apps are particularly useful for displaying transformations, such as weight loss, home renovations, or skincare results, effectively illustrating the impact of change over time. They typically offer features that enable users to import images, adjust their sizes, and apply overlays for a clear comparison, ensuring that the differences are easily recognizable. Many of the best applications in this category also provide additional editing tools to enhance the photos, add annotations, and incorporate filters, allowing users to personalize their presentations. Sharing the results on social media is often simplified, making it easy to inspire others or document your own progress. With a user-friendly interface, these apps cater to both casual users and professionals, making it simple to create impressive visual comparisons. Furthermore, they serve as effective means for documenting progress and presenting changes in a visually compelling manner, appealing to a wide audience interested in visual storytelling and personal development.